So as a student at Dominican University, I've been able to engage in critical questions about equity, liberation, and justice through my curricular work, through community organizing with clubs here at Dominican, and through my job at the Center for Cultural Liberation, which have all really prepared me to pursue a PhD program in community psychology. I came to Dominican University actually because I got a scholarship. It was the Dream US. And the Dream US is a national scholarship offered to undocumented students. It was at Dominican University where I became really engaged with immigration-focused advocacy through the Undocumented and Immigrant Alliance. UIA lobbied for the RISE Act, and the RISE Act gave access to the MAP grant for a lot of undocumented students, again, increasing access to higher education for undocumented students. I'm really thankful for that experience because it's prepared me to really hold social justice close to my heart and hold service very close to me, which are Dominican values, pursuing truth, compassionate service, and pursuing a more just and humane world, which is exactly what I plan to do with my life, is ensuring that, whether it is through research or community organizing, I am pursuing a more humane world, a world driven by justice and liberation.